For 40 years, the art of wood carving has been passed down from generation to generation. During B2500-2505, the first three villagers, Phanandang Puntusa, Phajama Ingao and Phawent Puntuzart had left Baan Tawai to learn how to carve Vietnam silk. A manufacture shop on Wu Lai Street, Chiang Mai Gate. They brought their newfound skill back to Baan Tawai. The village gradually became renowned for its wood-carving expertise. At present, a wide variety of wood carvings and other decorative items, e.g. wood carving, wood strips, gold leaf wood, antique wood, silverware, lacquerware, and woven textile. Basketry and earthenware can be found in Baan Tawai at Baan Tawai Handicraft Center and Baan Tawai Song Phang Klong Center. Baan Tawai is the village of wood carving handicrafts. It has been known as the major cultural attraction of Chiang Mai for Thai and foreign tourists. The best quality and bargains of wood carving items can be found in Baan Tawai.